Be brave enough to live life creatively, the creative place where no one else has ever been. I'm not afraid of tomorrow, for I have seen yesterday and I love today. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Joy descends gently upon us like the evening dew, and does not patter down like a hailstorm. From a small seed a mighty trunk may grow. What great thing would you attempt if you knew you could not fail? Look within is the fountain of good, and it will ever bubble up if thou wilt ever dig. Try to be like the turtle, at easy in your own shell. Everyone here has the sense that right now in one of those moments when we are influencing the future. What we achieve inwardly will change outer reality. Most of us have far more courage than we ever dreamed we possessed. Every man's life is a fairy tale written by God's fingers. Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. God sleeps in the minerals, awakens in plants, walks in animals, and thinks in men. What makes the deserts beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well.